Hello students. Today we will discuss the next unit number 5, fifth. The topic is replacement problem. As you all heard the name replacement. Replacement is to replace the things, but here the problem arises whether it is to be changed on a one-to-one basis or it is to be changed in a group. तो organization में हमें everything wants a replacement. Like for example, if we talk about the LED bulbs. So if they fuse, we should replace when one by one जो bulb fuse हो रहा है उसको replace करें और after a certain period we should replace the all in the organization. All right. So the replacement problems are concerned with the situations that arise when some items such as man, machine and usable things etc. need replacement due to their decreased efficiency, failure or breakdown. कई बार you have noticed कि कोई मशीनरी है तो instead of correcting it, right, we take the decision to purchase a new one कि उसको नई जो है वो हमें ज़्यादा चीप पड़ेगी instead of कि हम उसको सही कराएं. So which decision we should choose at that time? Right. Such decreased efficiency or complete breakdown may either be gradual or all of a sudden. If a firm wants to survive the competition, it has to decide on whether to replace the outdated equipment or to retain it by taking the cost of maintenance and operation into account. Because each and everything requires the maintenance. If we will not maintain it, it will not retain. Replacement situations. Now there are basically two type of situations. Replacement of assets that deteriorate with time, जो समय के साथ साथ खराब हो रहे हैं, and replacement of assets which fail suddenly, जो अचानक से, for example this is a laptop और उसमें अचानक से कुछ ऐसा all of a sudden breakdown हो जाए, खराब हो जाए कि ये सही नहीं हो सकता. एक दूसरा टाइप क्या है कि आफ्टर सम टाइम द टेक्नोलॉजी विल बी अपडेटेड एंड द सिस्टम विल बी स्टार्टेड टू हैकिंग और इट विल नॉट सपोर्ट द एक्चुअलिटी. नेक्स्ट, replacement of assets that deteriorate with time. Generally, the cost of maintenance and repair of certain items increases with time, and at one stage these costs become so high that it is more economical to replace the item by new one. At this point a replacement is justified. जब कॉस्ट इतनी ज़्यादा हो जाती है कि हमें उसकी रिपेयरिंग ज़्यादा महंगी पड़ती है, तो उस टाइम पे हम क्या डिसीजन ले सकते हैं कि टू परचेज द न्यू वन. तो इस तरह की सिचुएशन में दो केसेस अराइज होंगे. फर्स्ट वन, वैल्यू ऑफ मनी डज नॉट चेंज विथ टाइम, एंड सेकेंड, वैल्यू ऑफ मनी चेंज विथ टाइम. विल स्टडी वन बाय वन. केस फर्स्ट, जब वैल्यू ऑफ मनी डज नॉट चेंज विथ टाइम. The following costs are considered in such decisions, where C stands for capital cost of a certain item, say a machine. S of T, the selling or scrap value of the item after T year. Second, F of T, operating or maintenance cost of the item at the time T, and N stands for optimal replacement period of the item. When T is a continuous variable, if the required equipment is used for any years, then the total cost incurred during this period is given by T of C is equal to capital cost minus scrap value plus maintenance cost. Here average total cost A of N is equal to T of C divided by N. This suggests that equipment should be replaced when the maintenance cost equals the average annual cost. Right. Case number 2, value of money changes with time. Money value, since money has a value over time, therefore the explanation of this statement is money is worth 10% per year can be given in two ways. First, in one way, spending rupees 100 today will be equivalent to spend rupees 110 in years time. In other words, if we plan to spend rupees 110 after a year from now, we could spend rupees 100 today. Meaning जो आज हमारे 100 रुपए की वैल्यू है वो एक साल बाद उसकी वैल्यू क्या चेंज हो जाएगी 110 रुपी. इफ मनी इज वर्थ 10%, उस पर हर साल 10% का इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है. Second, alternately, if we borrow rupees 100 at the interest of 10% per year and spend rupees 100 today, we have to pay rupees 100 after 1 year, next year. So we can conclude that rupees 100 is equal to rupees 110 a year from now. Consequently, rupees 1 from a year now is equal to 1 plus 0.1 raised to the power minus 1 rupee today. Alright. Next is PWF, it stands for present worth factor. As we have seen, a rupee a year from now will be equivalent to 1 plus 0.1 raised to the power minus 1 rupee today at the discount rate of 10% per year. So 1 rupee in n years from now will be equal to 1 plus 0.1 raised to the power minus n. Therefore, the quantity is called the present worth factor or PV, present value of 1 rupee spent in n years from now. In general, if R is the rate of interest, then 1 plus R raised to the power minus n is called PWF or PV of 1 rupee spent in n years from now onwards. The expression 1 plus R raised to the power minus n is known as compound amount factor of 1 rupee spent in n years. Discount rate, you have studied this in finance also, the PWF, present value of money chapter. In let R be the rate of interest. Therefore, PF of unit amount to be spent after 1 year is V is equal to 1 plus R raised to the power minus 1. The formula, this is the R is the discount rate. V is known as the discount rate, and R is the rate of interest. The optimum replacement policy for replacement of item where maintenance costs increase with time and money value change with constant rate can be determined by following method. Suppose that the item, which may be machine or equipment, is available for use over a series of time periods of equal intervals, say 1 year. Let C is equal to purchase price of the item to be replaced. R suffix T is equal to running or maintenance cost in the tth year. Capital R is equal to rate of interest. Replacements of assets which fail suddenly. Second type. To avoid the possibility of a complete breakdown, it is desirable to formulate a suitable replacement policy. The following two courses can be followed in such situations. First, individual replacement policy, and second, group replacement policy. Individual replacement policy. Under this policy, an item may be replaced immediately after its failure. जैसे ही वो खराब होगा हम उसे तुरंत चेंज कर देंगे. Second, group replacement policy. Under this policy, the items are replaced in group after a certain period, say T, irrespective of the fact that items have failed or not. कि सारे के सारे चेंज खराब हैं या नहीं, हम एक साथ सारे चेंज रिप्लेस कर देंगे. If any item fails before its preventive replacement is due, then individual replacement policy is used. Thank you. The next video lecture, we will discuss the numerical part of the replacement problem. Till the time, you all go through it and try to understand, and you can discuss if there is any query. Thank you.